Hi, hello, and everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Uh, it's my pleasure to be here with my topic, and my topic is about the title is education. I'm going to talk about the education. Education, for as we know, education is one of the important things in everyone's life. Is playing a better role in everyone, not only the teenager. From childhood is play a better role. As we seen, education is everywhere. Everywhere we can see education. Education is one of the best influences. Is influence human to be a best human in their life. What is the education? To begin is the education is the process of giving systematic education, especially at the school or university. The education will increase our knowledge that leading to a better understanding. So knowledge, education, what we have through education is a knowledge is giving us a better life in everyone's life. First of all, I would start my point by education bring a permanent things in everyone's life by thinking and have a capacity to do so many things. After that, reading a book and understanding what you read does not mean that you have been educated. If we don't integrate what we read into our attitude and memory, is similarly attending a course and hearing a lecture doesn't mean we have changed or been educated. We have to move by our education. Education is giving us the knowledge by attitude, how to respect the other person. Education will teach us. We have to behave according to what we have been educated. Importance of education is giving knowledge of the world around us and change into a better things. It helps us to build a better opinions, point of views, and things in our life. Education is not only according to us only, is according to all of the in the world. Whenever we started to talking in front of anyone, we have to have the mannerism, how to talk, how to respect, how to start the point. Everything come into education. The education is the main things will help you how to start your talks, how you manage all the things. Without a proper education, you cannot start a little things in your life. Like you want to talk with your teacher also, the education is playing the important role. Whenever you talk, whenever you go, the education will lead you to how do you talk, how you behave, and all. So education is also important because it is the process of achieving knowledge, skills, belief, and your moral habit. The ethics, the all is come from the education. Some of us parents or so many people will say, you are educated but you are behave like uneducated. It's all because our perception. It's all depends on how you behave. That we are educated doesn't mean we are a knowledge person, we are good in ethics, we are good in moral. It's not mean at all. We have to prove that the person are educated will behave better in their life. We have to prove that. When we prove, then only the other person will trust how the important the education. Oh, like this, the education will lead us a better life. I strongly believe on my statement. And in conclusion, I am strongly put my point. The proper education will lead us to the proper way in our life. And I also hope that every parents have to tell their kids about the importance of their study from childhood, and to make their minds to a better study in their life. And this is my point about the education. I hope these things will give a little bit briefing about the education. And thanks to my lecturer and my friends for spending time with me. Thank you and see you again. Bye.